what's up, Slim? I wanna get in and hit BLTTOM, cause that's the way I live my life. No relationship, just stick your pipe off in ya. Tryna break your back, no matter who you are, cause I got it like that. Every now and then we'll get in the bed, and if you don't do right, I slap you across the head, that's real. And that's the way it goes, won't dump you, but I slam dunk you girls. Either on your head or on your face, little Spain. Putting your girls in place, so don't close the door like it's all that. Just let a nigga in so I can splat. Open up and let me in.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Open up and let me in.
Not about to have my
Open up and let me in.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Open up and let me in.
Not about to have my
Well, I'm Raw B, doing nothing to be the gut banger. When I'm done, I put it back on the hanger. Cause I've been watching you for a while and you must have been watching me because you heard that I'm the gut buster. In and out, that's the way I like to do it. Chicken, you have a pain, well baby, I can soothe it. So call me Dr. Heelgood, cause I make it feel good. In a sense, you can call me real good. And let a nigga go to work and brace yourself, cause at first it might hurt. But after that, it's gonna feel like a dream. While I'm hopping and bumping to get to something, you know what I mean. There ain't no need to treat me like a clown. Let me smack it up, flip it, and even rub it down. And I'm showing satisfaction with a grin. Just open up and let the player come in. Now open up and let me in.